Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're also fine, taking care of yourself. I'm also fine today. In this video, I am going to show ideas and designing about crochet and knitting jumpsuit. You can see different sizes and different varieties of crochet and knitting jumpsuit in this my video. They look very gorgeous and pretty, and you can wear these crochet and knitting jumpsuit in your casual day, as a function, and in your working day, and many other different purposes. As you know, garment incorporating trousers and a sleeves top in a one piece, worn as a fashion item, protective garments or uniform. A jumpsuit, crochet knitting jumpsuit is one piece garment with sleeves and legs, and typically without integral coverings or feet, hands or head. The original crochet knitting jumpsuit function one piece garment used by Brochures, and crochet knitting jumpsuits are usually regarded as a garment of convenience, as they are simpler to wear. They are more put on to remove garments than a resembles outfit. However, unless the crochet knitting jumpsuit has an opening or the rears, it is necessary to remove it only from bathroom use. And as you know, crochet knitting jumpsuits are the perfect option if you are used to wearing pants but want to update your 2020 wardrobe. The one piece chill out flatters all body types and can be paired with everything from sneakers to booties. You can wear a crochet knitting jumpsuit. The easiest way to layer a crochet knitting jumpsuit is with a jacket on top. Try a blazer for formal events to leather jackets for casual outings. You can even tie a jacket around your waist during the day in place of a belt to add shape definitions. To other options is to layer a shirt or top underneath your crochet knitting jumpsuit. You can wear different sizes of shoes with your crochet knitting jumpsuit. Jumpsuits are semi-wide, ultra-wide legs tend to pair with wedges since the fabric fits nicely over the shoe without punching. Flats, whether dresses are casual, flats are a good call anytime. Your crochet knitting jumpsuit has a tapered or straight leg flat sandals. You can also wear different sizes of flat sandals it fit. And if you want to make these crochet knitting jumpsuit in order, please see the link in my description. Touch the link and contact with us. And if you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. Okay viewers, see you later in my next video. Take care. May God bless you. I pray love for your health and wealth. Members mean your prayers. Thanks for supporting us, and goodbye.